How to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, let's discuss some of the methods by which we can increase the speed of your Google Chrome if it is lagging on your Windows. So first of all, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your Chrome and then go into settings. Once you have tapped on the settings interface, you can type in the search button and then you can type in clear cookies. This way you can see on clear browsing data, you can select all the browsing data that you want to clear. Also choose the time usage into all time or last 7 days according to your need. Once this is done, tap on the clear data option. You can do the same for the advanced settings as well. This is the first method. For the next one, you have to tap on the three dots or you can directly click on this extensions icon. Now tap on Manage Extensions and remove all the extra extensions which is not required on your Google Chrome. This way also you will help to remove the lagging of Google Chrome. Once you have done that, let's move on to the third settings. For that, what you have to do is right click on your Start button and then go to Task Manager. Once you have opened the Task Manager, you have to view on all the items or the backup or start of devices that is not required. For that case, you can just right click on it and then tap on End Task. Do the same for all other applications that has high processing. This way also you will help to solve the issue of lagging of Google Chrome. Now for the last option, you need to update your Windows. For that, on the search bar, type in Windows Update, check for update and make sure to download and install all the latest versions. So this were some of the techniques by which you can help on solving the issue of Google Chrome lagging. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.